Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'll be teaching you how to use loops, which basically are used to repeat lines of code within a given parameter. Um, for this video I'll be showing both for loops and while loops. So let's get started. First I'm going to introduce an integer x, which will be used later. Well, quite soon actually. But now I'm going to declare the loop. So I start with for, and in parentheses we have the parameters for this loop, and it's with int I that I'm declaring that starts at 0. And I'm actually going to add a semicolon and have I um, to check if I is less than 10, and another for I plus plus, at which now these actually, so I'm gonna explain this. This I'm declaring an integer I, which will be used in this loop to actually help it function. This for the second part, the loop will run as long as I is less than 10. So when the loop ends, it has to be 10. It has to be less than 10, or it will continue on without going back to the loop. And I plus plus to just whenever the loop goes, I will increase by 1. So we can have the whole thing run 10 times, and every time it will add 1 to I until it reaches 10. So to make this loop work, I'm going to put in some code for it to run. So I'm going to put a system print line function, and I'm going to have it put out the value of x, and then each time I will increase x by 1, and with this I will end the loop. So oops, wrong one. No, actually I have enough. Yeah, you should make sure that every opening here closes so your code runs well. And for this, it's going to continue to this loop is going to continue. It's going to output. There'll be an output for the numbers 1 through 10. So that's a basic loop, the for loop, and now I'm going to show the while loop. So for this while loop, I'm going to declare an integer y and have it equal 0. So now I'm going to type while, and in parentheses, x is less than or put less than or equal to 10. I'm going to, the code is going to, not me, every time it's going to, first I'm going to put in the value for y, and then I'm going to add 1 to y. You can actually do y plus plus or y equals y plus 1. Both work. Actually, for this code, because both of them are in the code, it's gonna go by 2 each time. So it's gonna skip all the odd numbers, so it's gonna go to 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So this just showing a basic way how these loops work. They're actually pretty useful, especially when you need something to be done again, when you're waiting for user input and there's a command that the user tries to use and it actually not working, so you need them to do it again to correct their mistakes. Thank you for watching.